Hello wonderful people, and welcome back to another wonderful video of Peach Cake Nails. Here's Peach Cake, let's get started. I used this blue nail polish and it just reminded me of the night sky, and you're gonna want to add 2 coats of this, okay? And on top of the base coat, of course. Now, a lot of people have been wondering and asking me in person, those who have been watching my videos, why do I always use dollar nail polish? Well, the thing is that when I'm using dollar nail polish, I don't know about you, but nail polish is pretty expensive. And the thing is, I want to show you that just using regular nail polish, that's even $1, you could still make wonderful art with it. And so I'm doing that right now with these nails. And so I'm gonna add those 2 coats on all of these nails. This is the first coat, and you just want to add as many as you want until you are satisfied with that color of blue. After those 2 coats, what you want to do is add that clear coat. I use Rapid Dry because it's really helpful and it makes your nails firm for at least a week and a half. And you're gonna want to add that after your second coat so you can have those firm nails to get ready for that nail art. It's nail art time. Alright, I always use the ring finger because that's the finger that everybody does their nail art on. I don't know why, but that's what everybody does. So I'm doing my night sky. I'm making a crescent moon, and I am doing that with my skinny nail art brush. Now, I used one of the brushes where it's a little bit too long, and you'll notice, maybe not, that I changed the brushes because it was just causing me way too many troubles with this moon. And so I did a few stars in the background, and I think it's here where I change my brushes. And the thing is, if you ever decide to make or use your own brushes, try different brushes to see what type do you like. I know in each video I use different types of tools because there's certain ones that can make certain patterns that really work out for you. And so I had to do that, and it's totally fine if you do it. You don't have to use the same brushes as me. You don't have to use the same nail polish as me. But I find that really easy when I do that. And so I'm doing that. Yep, right here I used a different brush, and I'm just trying to make these bright shiny stars and trying to fix that moon. So do you see it? Do you see the moon? Yeah. And so it looks great, and I'm just fixing that star over there in the corner. It might look bad, it might not, I don't know. And so I'm just trying my hardest there, and my huge hand is just in front of the camera. Wow, great. Thanks Peach Cakes, you rock. Wow, that's beautiful finger. Wow. Anyways, I'm doing some polka dots on the nail, trying to get that star sky night look, and that's what you want to do. And you can add more stars, you can add glitter after this, it's up to you. And I just decided to end it here because I found it really easy. If you ever make any of these nail arts, please let me know in the comments below. I would love to see them, and I hope you have a wonderful day.